All right, guys, today is the day. I think the new warehouse is presentable enough to show you. So this is gonna be the brand new warehouse reveal video. Okay. It's kind of a new sensation to me driving to a warehouse to go work on cars, but it's kind of cool and I kind of like it. What I like the most about the new warehouse location is I just get to drive by lots of food restaurants, whereas before we were kind of in the middle of nowhere. So it's a little bit more convenient in that sense, even though it's the same distance. I've really enjoyed the energy that I've been able to have in the past couple of videos, and I feel like I've been maybe a little, I feel like it's weird to call myself more fun, but I had much more fun editing the videos than normal blah me. And I think largely that's due to me actually getting sleep. So we're gonna try to continue to do that more regularly, seeing as I'm a bit tired today. I don't know if you can tell by my demeanor. I'm a little bit more meh. All right, so we've arrived to the new warehouse. Now, it's a little bit different than our last setup, and we have a little bit different purpose kind of for the space. And I'm very, very, very excited because this is gonna be kind of like, I don't wanna say a new home for the videos, but it's definitely gonna be kind of like a new set, if you will. So, welcome to the new warehouse. We have a shop. Would you look at that? It's kind of a mess right now. Tell me, what's your car doing in here?
It's getting some work done at the new shop.
Yeah, some work done at the new shop. All right. So last time we were able to store cars at our last warehouse, but even getting them to let us store cars there was kind of a nightmare. This space is fully zoned for automotive things, and the idea behind it is not necessarily to stop working in my home garage, because I really do like my garage there. It's more or less if there's long ongoing projects or a car that's broken, like the Skyline that has broken axles, so it's not being held up kind of in one spot like at my actual house, so I can still do projects without having to just like keep doing one thing at the same time. So thankfully, the space already had 2 lifts in it, so that's pretty cool. Tommy, you wanna walk them through kind of some plans that we got going on?
So, because this is going to be pretty much turning into a shop, we're planning to have a tire machine, so we don't have to go run around and get tires because we go through a lot.
What's that?
That's a big stack of tires.
Oh, okay. We can do like a little bit of a tour. I mean, this is a lot of the same stuff that we had at the last warehouse. This is Nicole's 240. That's my Skyline. These are all our tires. We got bumpers and Miata hardtops and bumpers and banners and Alberto's toolbox and more bumpers and Skyline and more stuff. There's a lot of clutter right now. We actually do have a space in addition to this shop on the other side of the wall for like storing a lot of our clutter stuff, but we haven't really gotten to do any of that yet. So right now there are a lot of boxes that aren't gonna be here. Trying to get everything in nice bins. We'll probably get some racks for like tires and stuff. But for the most part, we'll probably do most of the work on this side, where we'll have like, you know, Alberto's toolbox, maybe like a little welding station. It'll be really nice when we're pulling engines and need more space and stuff to not be like kind of in the confines of my home garage and really have space to work. We were just hanging out here the other night, just kind of like tinkering around on the Z's, and you guys will see it's kind of a different vibe having a shop with more space where like you can actually hang out and friends can work on their cars and stuff. So definitely a big change. I wasn't even really like looking for a shop, it just kind of happened. There's more details that I'll give you kind of as time goes on, but for now, we're gonna keep it kind of low key, and I'm just gonna kind of show you what's up. This is Alberto stuff. I'm gonna make him make it look a little bit nicer because it looks kind of a bit messy right now. He does have an R34 GTR. He's just missing everything except for the taillights, in case you guys are wondering. But anyway, yeah, I got a lot of random stuff. I do think that we are going to do another open house like we did last year at the old warehouse, probably sometime between like Black Friday and Christmas, which would be really cool. Give you guys a chance to actually like check out the shop while the car's on display and stuff. But we also have a ton of crap that I don't need anymore, whether it's exhausts, random parts off SRs or other engines and stuff that I'm gonna try to sell, whether it's on eBay, in person, or whatever. You guys can keep an eye out, and I'll probably be posting some of that stuff up in case you guys are interested. It's sick though, having lifts that like work and stuff. I don't really know much more to talk about this place. I don't really know fully the plans or anything. I've been away so much that Tommy and the warehouse guys have kind of been in charge with coming up for kind of the layout and kind of how we're going to organize everything, because if that's up to me, I'm not going to be able to really do it anytime soon. So they've been doing a really, really good job. They got everything moved over while I was in Germany because our lease at the old place ended. But it's pretty cool. And now I get to show you guys inside. Oh, we do have AC in here, by the way. It's not working right now, but that is pretty tight. So I don't like working in hot areas, so that's pretty cool. So this is where the magic happens. No longer is all the like clothing and merchandise stuff out in the warehouse, like mixed with all the car stuff. It's completely separate, and it's in an air-conditioned office area. So we've got this whole entire office area, a little bit of a mess right now, so pardon the mess, but all the merchandise and everything's now in a nice AC area, so the guys, when they're working, can be a nice AC area. We got a nice little office in here. Don't mind the mess, guys. We were literally just moving in. But what's cool is I can show you while we're in here, we have some new stuff that's coming out on Wednesday. Oh, that's today. James goes, when's this video going up? I was like, oh, on Wednesday. Yeah, good point. New merchandise, item number 1. We're a little late to the fall party. But we got hoodies. Check out the cream. James, what's it say on the sleeve? Tell me.
Worldwide.
Worldwide. Because we're worldwide.
Hello?
Hello? Oh, he's on the phone. If you're like me and you get everything dirty, including cream colored hoodies, we also made a black version just for you. People like Tommy that have no soul like to wear black clothing, so it's really good if you're like him. Right? Look, dude, we kind of match. Look, same.
Oh wait, yeah.
This orange is themed because there's orange on my car, right? That's the purpose.
Orange?
Orange? Yeah, this is orange, right?
No, it's supposed to be red.
No, this is-
It's
just
orange.
The shirt version of. It's the hoodie version of the shirt.
It's Japanese orange,
No,
is
that's
what we
because
call
of the
it.
skyline. It's supposed to be red.
Yes.
What? No, it's not.
It's vintage.
That is not. That is orange. That is the color of my 350Z.
That is
wash
red.
away.
I will go out there and I will stand next to the Z and prove you wrong.
I will pull up my guys.
This is my sweatshirt. Look at this.
Red. That is clearly red. Stay by your tail light.
What?
Tail light. Stay by your tail light.
Stand by my taillight.
Red.
Orange.
Red.
Comment below. What do you guys think? Should we name it the black and orange or do the black and red?
It's clearly skyline red.
James is clearly colorblind, and that's a real problem if the dude doing my graphics
I
design
made
is colorblind.
I picked the color.
He's like, James, order me some pink shirts. They show up green. James, what color's on the back of the shirt?
A 7.
Just casually using a BN box as a tripod. No sweat. All right, guys, this right here is the heavy hitter. If you remember last year, we had those green parkas that sold out almost immediately, and they're probably the nicest product we've ever made. Now, this year, we've done the same thing, and no Soul Edition. So we've got black parka, very warm, fur hood, removable liner, which is also a jacket itself. So you're getting 2 jackets in one. High quality leather patch, great aesthetics. This is really hard to be self-consciously talking about how great a jacket is with people like James over there in the corners staring, judging you. Can you
Make
like
sure you're selling it right.
put yourself in my shoes right now? What, am I missing any key details, James? You want to help me? Look at the fit. The fit's great.
That's great.
We got split seam in the back, more comfort so you can bend around and stuff, but very warm.
Oh wait, this is kind of cool. We
What?
didn't really point this out. So this is designed to specifically fit a cell phone in the pocket. So
Why
it's perfect.
the heck would you want to put your cell phone in your arm?
If you're going snowboarding or skiing, which is what we had in mind, if you're out in the snow, it's a good little spot.
But if you're out in the snow, why don't you just put it in your pocket, no?
Because then you lose it. This is a
Guys, honestly, this zipper
That's the purpose.
this zipper is literally pointless. It's purely for looks. Or
Whatever.
if you want to hide some inappropriate things in your jacket, that's what the sleeve's for. What?
You're not wrong.
I'm not wrong. Like, this is the guy that's designing these products right here.
I might
He is
be.
not a good person, all right?
Yeah, for that reason.
He's manipulating my products and putting zippers in places that I don't even know about, all right?
We're just shipping something special through LC.
You need to relax, James.
I
Alright.
see.
He took a Red Bull, guys. He took a Red Bull. He's sweating. All right, I'm sweating. This jacket's hot. It's nice. Comment in the description. There will be a link for all the new merchandise that has just come out. I can tell you right now, we haven't had any outerwear this year, and I am anticipating that it will sell out quickly. I'm hoping that. Are we doing a special deal for like the first movers? I don't know what it's gonna be, but when you look in the description box below the video, there will be some sort of deal for you guys that watch the videos on the first day that it comes out, but it's not gonna be valid after midnight on our time. Not your time, not your Cali time, not your mid-central time, East Coast time. The only coast that matters. We're not getting any orders from California now.
Whoa, low blow.
Dude, you need confidence, James. All right? I'm a changed man with this stash. I don't play around. Come at me, TJ Hunt. You want to battle? You probably sell more merch than me, but
A mustache.
my cars will beat yours all day. Race me. You won't.
It's a mustache pocket.
What? Oh, stash. Ah, this guy. That honestly just ruined my vibe. Also, just to note, you guys, I don't want you to like get something and be unhappy with it. These sweatshirts do run a little bit shorter than other ones we've had in the past. I wear an XL just for a little bit of extra length, but we do have sizing charts always on our site for all products. For you, present.
Fits great.
Look at all this sick vinyl. Yep, so apparently the truck that was delivering our vinyl for all our cars like caught on fire. Is that what you said, James?
So they said it either caught on fire or they were in an accident. But she used the words caught on fire.
So we're kind of in a last minute rush trying to get vinyl for Matt's car and Taylor's car because we have leftover for my car, but not for them. Right, Tom? Tom, is
Don't
that?
look at this. Don't look at this.
Why?
Because this is the secret sauce as to why your car's so fast.
No, it's not because we're not even using it.
This is the secret for the secret.
Oh, so when we get in the jam, we need to make my car go vroom vroom?
Oh yeah, this is it.
You're so weird.
Is that a diff?
You're a diff.
That's a diff.
You're a diff stick. We do have 2 more new products. All right, so phone cases. Hold up because I know you're gonna be like, oh my God, do you have it for the new iPhone? We don't have the new iPhone cases yet, but they will be coming, how soon?
Within a month.
That's a little long. Within a month, we'll have the new phone cases. Well, we have these for now. If you guys don't have the new fancy new iPhones, I really wanted to do these. So this is actually a glass phone case. It's rubber on the sides, and then the back is actually a thin layer of glass. It looks really sick, and it's nice, but if you're like me, you probably drop your phone a lot, so there is a very good chance it will crack. So if you're planning on doing that, I wanted to do a second option. I also really like my current leather phone case, so I wanted to do a nice black leather phone case. I'm gonna try to get this to focus so you can see a little bit better. But they're really nice. We have them for iPhones, Androids, and a lot of other phones. You can just click the link and see what other phones we have them for. But these came out really cool. These are kind of like subtle, and these are kind of, if you want to be a little bit more extra. I think these are a little bit more expensive than the leather ones. You just got to be careful because how hard do I need to hit it to make it break? You got to be careful with these. That's it for the product stuff though. I'll keep you guys in the loop as new stuff kind of comes up and whatever. But yeah, link is in the description. We've got some other stuff coming in probably about the same time as the other new phone cases. But we have a special guest that's about to arrive. You guys already saw this in the warehouse video. Or I guess this is the warehouse video. I don't know what video we're on. Hey, can you film me just wheeling by real quick, Tom? Thanks. Oh my God! Look who showed up to the new shop. This is what?
That's my watch.
Oh, you at Disney, huh?
Disney boy.
So this is the end of my warehouse reveal video. Is there anything you want to say? Yeah, we literally just finished.
Sick.
They'll see you in I have another video, so like I filmed 2 videos this day, so you guys will see the other video of us hanging out and doing Evo stuff. But for now, anything?
Sick.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go do mustache beard things, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you're stuck in the warehouse. Drop a thumbs up. This is the start of a new chapter. Okay, bye.
When you say